Snoring isn't just a nighttime nuisance, it can signal serious breathing problems and restless sleep for your child. It's concerning to think that those little sounds could impact their health. But there's a solution. The anti-snoring chin strap is here to help. This innovative strap effectively stops snoring, ensuring your child enjoys peaceful, uninterrupted sleep. It's adjustable and comfortable, providing a snug fit that won't irritate them. Plus, it's sweat-resistant and washable, so it stays fresh night after night. Imagine saying goodbye to tossing and turning, and hello to restful nights. Your child deserves the best sleep possible, and with this chin strap, you can give them just that. Let's prioritize their health and well-being together.